Hello friends, welcome to my channel Linux eHub. Today we will discuss how to reset a lost administrator password in Windows Server 2016 and 19. Sometimes we forget the password of an administrator user so that we are unable to log into the system and we are unable to perform any activity in the server. So at that time we have to recover the password to log into the server. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like, share and comment. Let's move to my computer screen. This is the computer screen where I am trying to log in with the Windows administrator account. It is giving error as I am using a wrong password. So what we have to do, we will discuss now. To boot the server with Windows Server DVD and we have to reboot the server. When server will ask to boot with the DVD, at that time we have to click on the any key and we have to boot the server with Windows DVD. Then we have to click on next. Then repair your computer. Then select troubleshoot. Then click on command prompt. Here command prompt will open and we have to use couple of commands. First we have to use the C colon, then it will go to the C drive, then we have to use CD Windows System 32, then we have to rename utilman.exe to utilman.exe.old. Then we have to copy cmd.exe to utilman.exe. Then we have to exit from the command prompt. Then we have to click on continue so that server will boot again. Here we don't need to boot the server from the DVD drive, we have to directly start the server. Server booted without the DVD drive and booted with the OS. Click on the accessibility, then command prompt will start. Because we have changed the command prompt to the utilman.exe. Here we have to change the password and the command will be net user administrator with new password. Here I have given the password test pass at 123 . Here password changed. Command will be, I am repeating it, net user administrator new password. Then exit from the command prompt and try to log in with the new password what we have set. Now we have checked that password taken and server login with successfully. So that means server is worked fine. That means we successfully changed the administrator password. Now we have to restart the server again because we have to do the revert back the changes what we have done previously. So now we have to again boot from the DVD drive. Here again we have to click on next, click repair your computer, then click on troubleshoot, click on command prompt. Again here we have to also use couple of commands. First C colon, then CD Windows System 32. Then here we have to rename ren utilman.exe to utilman.exe.new. Copy utilman.old to utilman.exe. Okay. Click on continue. Again server will reboot and server comes again. Now click on use the administrator and the new password what we have changed. Now you can see server will boot successfully and OS come up. So this is the procedure how we can change the forgotten administrator account password in a Windows server. So thank you for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like, share and comment.